As far as the left is concerned, this is a Trump crackdown on undocumented migrants and also a Republican power grab in the U.S. House of Representatives. So essentially, Donald Trump is saying that undocumented migrants should not be included in census calculations, which are used to apportion seats in the House of Representatives. And he's already argued for including a question on citizenship in the U.S. Census. Now, that move was denounced by advocacy groups as an attempt to scare non-citizens away from the census, so that the ultimate effect would be a loss of some seats in the House of Representatives, which tend to lean Democratic. And essentially this move, if it got through the courts and the Supreme Court, would basically dent the power of Democrats, both in sort of powerhouse Democratic states like California, and also ones that have become increasingly important to Democratic victories this year, such as what we saw in Nevada and Arizona. Now, Donald Trump's administration has always maintained that there's no question of discrimination here. All it's doing, it says, is to say that if you come into the U.S. illegally, then you should not be in the U.S. If, by contrast, you come into the U.S. lawfully, and of course, if you have something to contribute, then you're welcome. So this is a very familiar struggle that really we've seen playing out between the left and the right ever since Donald Trump came into power and invoked that ban on travel from predominantly Muslim countries. I think it's part of this same sort of rift and these identity issues which we've been talking about so much over the past 4 years.